Metric threaded screw. You guys don't know what it really means. If I call the other name, which is bolt and nut, you will understand better. But the standard name for a bolt and nut is a metric threaded screw or a metric screw. Yeah, but we're going to talk about these bolts, everything concerning the bolts, the classification, what it is used, the types, different types of these bolts and nuts. As a mechanical engineer, or let me say as an engineer, you should be able to know the differences between each of these bolts, why they are designed, what they are designed for, and how to use them. These bolts are designed in different categories. Sometimes most of them are differs in the head shape, most of them are differs in the design shape, most of them are differs in thread and different pitch. But if you should be, if you are able to identify each of these differences, then you should be able to know what these differences, what these bolts or nuts are used for. So let us go with what is a bolt, or what are bolts and nuts. A bolt and nut, which is known as a metric threaded screw, is a mechanical fastener that is usually used with a nut connecting two or more parts, two or more mechanical parts. Let me not use the word parts because there are different parts of things. Two or more mechanical parts. A bolt is a mechanical fastener that is usually used with a nut connecting two or more mechanical parts. A bolt joint can be readily disassembled and reassembled. For this reason, both are screw fasteners. They are used to a greater extent than any other type of mechanical fastener, and this played an important role in development of mass-produced articles and steel structure. Yeah, if you check the screen now, you see the shapes of different bolts and nuts. Different kind of bolts and nuts. There are different kind of bolts and nuts designed for different purposes, different sizes, different pitch, different shape, different manufacturing designers, and the rest of them. So artists. So bolts and nuts are being classified by their shapes, by their manufacturing process, and by their grade. So if okay, then we'll talk about bolts, classifying bolts by grade. Nuts are being classified by their grade, which indicates the strength. For example, the grade 2 nuts are low strength and suitable for non-critical applications, while grade 8 nuts are high strength and used in heavy duty applications. So there are different kind of bolts with different grade. So we have the grade 1, the grade 2, the grade 3, then to the grade 8. Now let's talk about types of bolts. We have talked about classification of bolts by their manufacturing process and their grade, their shape, their head shape. Then let's talk about types of bolts. There are different kind of bolts. You see, these types of bolts include their shapes different, their sizes different, includes their design different, their manufacturing processes different, and the rest of the differences. So number one is we have the carriage boat. The carriage boat have a convex head, a square neck. It is displayed on the screen there, seeing the what is called a carriage boat, and thread, okay, and thread, and are used to fasten wood. Carriage boats are used for wood. I don't know if you know these boats. They are used for wood, and they have a convex head, square U-boats. I don't know if you have seen a U-boat before. A U-boat has, it is displayed on the screen. If you can see, it has a U shape and two threaded parts. It is just like a single rod that is bent in a U shape, and the two edges are being threaded to be a boat. And these U-boats are used for many. I think they are used for carrying. Yeah, they are used for carriage. Yeah, they are used for carriage and have a U shape with threaded arm, and they are used to clamp cylindrical parts to flat surfaces. Yeah, they are used to clamp cylindrical parts to flat surfaces. Then we have eye boats. I don't know if you have seen an eye boat before, but displaying on the screen is a picture of an eye boat. An eye boat have a loop on one end and a threaded rod on the other side, and it is used to lift or suspend loads. We have another type of boat by which is this one is a very common boat, which is a hexagonal head boat, versatile and widely used for general fastening application. The X boat, it is called X head boat. it has a that X HEX means an hexagonal shape headed boat. So widely it is mostly used, widely used, commonly known, and it is the most used kind of boat. If you have the other one, which is a plow boat. The plow boat have a low profile head with a feature types and a square or keyway. There are different kind of boats here depending on the screen: the anchor boat, the cap boat, the cork. Let's talk about these boat sizes and charts, metric boats dimensions and the rest of them. So you know M5 boat, you have M5 threaded size, which is the major diameter is 5 mm, the minor diameter is 4.134 mm. Then M6, the major diameter is 6 mm and the minor diameter is 4.917 mm. The M7, the major diameter is 7 mm, the minor diameter is 5.917 mm. The M8, the major diameter is 8 mm and the minor diameter is 6.647 mm. Then where lastly we have the M10, which is the major diameter is 10 mm and the minor diameter is 8.17 mm. So I think I'll be able to feed you with some information. I would like you to subscribe to this channel, share our videos, help us. You know we are not collecting money from you, but the only way you can assist our good work is by subscribing and giving us a thumbs up, like.